So Malcolm, this is a video of me using Screencastomatic, and I'm using the free version, which means that you're going to see down in the bottom a little, I think a little watermark, and then you have to use your audio from your computer versus a plug-in mic. I think I told you you might want to consider using a microphone. Anyway, so what you can see now, I chose the both webcams, so I'm down here in the bottom, and then you can see my screen in the background. And so one of my reasons for doing this is so that you could see how it would look if you did this, use this application while you were going through a slideshow. So I'm going to click now on my slideshow, if I can get to it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I have to click present. And I just chose this just for the sake of, having just something to show you quickly. I didn't make anything up. I was a little bit too lazy. Anyway, so you can see I'm just still talking. I can read this screen title. I can click next, and it should go to my next slide. And it's, oh, actually, I clicked play. I didn't mean to do that. Let me click stop. I'm going to just click through it this way. So you could see you could just keep talking. And the other reason why I wanted to show you this slideshow is because what you'll notice is it's got very few words and interesting pictures. And that's a pretty good practice to think about, just putting up big statements that you want the students to focus on. And then every once in a while you can do some numbered list when you have some tips, but you can see how this is just super plain, not very much going on. All right, so I am going to now stop this little screen recording. Oops,